Hi friends, today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to install WordPress in Windows. I'm going to use XAMPP server, so I'm going to install in local server. I need to do one project in XAMPP server, so let's see how to install WordPress in localhost. For that we need to go Google, let's type WordPress pack download. Yeah, first one will be wordpress.org. This is the official website. We can download the latest version of WordPress from here. If you are coming, latest version only it will be available. So click download WordPress. It's a 5.32. Okay, it's now downloading. It's still downloading. One second. Yeah, it's the package has been downloading. The downloading is completed. We'll check in the downloads folder. The pack will be available in downloads folder. Yeah, it is there. So now I'm going to copy this WordPress pack to XAMPP. I have installed in local disk D, XAMPP, htdocs. Here I will create one more folder like projects. In this I'm going to create one more folder. This is our project folder. Let's say project 1. Yeah, inside I'm going to paste the WordPress pack which we have copied. So I'm going to extract that. Files are extracting. Let's finish it off. Yeah, it's completed. So we'll delete this zip file from this folder. Okay. Now project 1 having one more folder. No need of this. All the files should be in the root folder of project. Control A, Control X. In this project 1 folder, it all the files should be here only. So I pasted everything. I'm deleting this one also. Okay. Now project is ready. Project 1 is ready. So now we are going to start the XAMPP. Let's start XAMPP. Start. MySQL also we need. Start. Okay. Both are started. Okay. There is no error. It's running. Let's go to browser. Localhost slash project I created, right? That folder. Projects. Inside our project name is project 1. Okay. Okay, it it started installing. Before that, we need to create one database for the particular project. Now our project name is project 1, so we need to create database for a project 1. For that, we need to go localhost slash php my admin. This is our MySQL server. Here we need to create a database for project 1, our project. So we'll create project database. Okay, now I'm going to create new one. Database name project 1 only, same one I'm giving. Yeah, that's it. Generate. Yeah, database has been created. So now we'll start the WordPress installations steps. Okay, English only. Continue. Okay, now we have created database name we have, database username also we have, and password. Let's go. Okay, our database name is project 1. If you are installing in the local host means the username should be root and password empty, nothing is there. Let's submit. Wow, installation is successful. Run the installation. Okay, title of our project, I will give project 1 only. Okay, username, this username is asking for backend, means the administrator. So what I will give is admin, password admin 123. Okay, confirm use of weak password. Okay, your email id, it's a mandatory field, we need to give our mail id. Yeah, I have given. If you are clicking discourage search engine means it will not crawl in the Google, so we don't want this, so we'll leave it like this. Install WordPress. Now only we are start installing. Don't save. Yeah, we successfully installed the WordPress. So login. This is admin panel login. Username we created as admin and password as admin 123. Login. Yeah, now successfully we have installed WordPress. Okay, if you want to visit the website, you click visit website. Yeah, this is a default theme which will be available in WordPress. So in the next video we will see how to install theme and demo 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 content, everything we will see in the next part. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.